Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let's see. Here you can see if you click, okay, if you click this theme 2015, you can see this theme name is 2015 version 1.9 by the WordPress stream. Okay, I have update available for this notice is showing, and some description and some text you can see here. But if you go our web theme, you can see if you active our new theme or new underdeveloped theme, you can see if you click this, you can see this current theme is my theme. Okay, what this my theme is coming from, what this text is coming from my theme. Okay, and what the version and what the author. Okay, I am showing this again. If you click this, you can see the theme name, theme version, and the author, I mean who created this theme. Okay, and the noticed and some description and some text. Okay, but if you click our new themes, you cannot see anything, only the my theme. This is not our theme name. Okay, I am showing this why this is not a theme name, and version is not available here, and by anonymous, I mean something else. Okay, there is no description, no author, no text here. Okay, how to add this first, let's discuss. Okay, let's see. If you add something here, you can see where this name is here. Okay, simply this name is here our theme folder name, I mean our WordPress folder name. Okay, sorry, my our theme name, it is come from our theme name. I mean if you go our theme, you can see this is one two three four. Okay, four types of theme: 2016, 2017, 2015, এবং our custom theme is my theme. This name is come from my theme. Okay, this name here the name is my theme, and this name is showing here. Okay, if you want to change this, you can simply change this. Okay, let's discuss. If you want to add anything here, you can add it very easily. Okay, let's see. I am showing you this again. I am showing you this again. I have discussed this tomorrow, but I am showing this again. Okay, let's see. Here you have to create. Here you can see in CSS file folder, and here they have the theme author, I mean the template author have created two file. You need not to make this style.css outside this folder. Okay, always keep remember that you should not any file below you should not replace this file name or remove this file name, any file name from any folder. Okay, okay, simply I am telling this again. You have not or you should not replace or change or delete or remove any folder, any file from any folder. Okay, simply if you here you can see you can ask here a style.css file, you can simply cut it and paste it in here, paste it here. Okay, but you should not do this. Here you can see in css folder there is a style.css file, but I have created another file here, style.css file. What's the purpose of this? If you asked me, I will tell you. Okay, let's see. If you work with any theme here, any theme, okay, here you can see in appearance there is a editor. Okay, below background there is a editor. Okay, if you use anything, here you can see this is another theme. Okay, this is another folder. Here you can see 2015 theme style sheet is activate. Okay, if I just visit this theme, here you can see this theme, this another folder. Okay, do not think about this. I am only showing this. What is the purpose of this style.css file? Okay, what is the purpose of this style.css file? Okay, let's see. okay, where I am was. Okay, here you can see the editor. If you click editor, you can go in below. Okay, you can any custom css here. You can create any, or you can write any custom css here. Simply here you can see the full website. I do not I want to make this website full vanished or full white. Simply what you should do, just write body. Okay, body display none. If you put this, if you write this, let's see what happening. Just update it. File edited successfully. Let's refresh this website. You can see there is nothing. I mean, full body, full theme body, full design body I have here, display none. I mean, it's a css effect. Okay, if you use this in body, display colon none, your full theme, full design will be vanished. Okay, I'm not using this. To discuss only what is the purpose of this style.css. Okay, because if you do not create this style.css, your if you do not create this style.css, okay, if you do not create this style.css file, your if you then after if you put any css effect here, css style here, this style will not work in this theme. Okay, because this style.css is included, this style.css is included with this editor. Okay, I am telling this again, this style.css, not this style.css. Okay, not in the css folder and then style.css, not this style.css. Okay, only this style.css I have created. It is extra, you have to create if you want to dynamic your template, okay, in WordPress. Okay, you have to create this style.css. I am telling this again, this style.css is included with this editor. Okay, if you write anything here, this will be affected in your front page only if you create a file whose name is style.css in theme root file. Okay, I think you have got this. Let's see. And another purpose of this is if you want to show, let's close this. If you want to show anything here, I mean theme name, theme version, author, description, tags, okay, all will be shown, all will be floated from this style.css file. Okay, all will be shown from this style.css file. Okay, how to do this, let's see. I have opened this already in notepad++. Okay, if you want to show here all things, description, theme name, version, title, all things, what you should do, let's see. Just in your style.css you have to shift, sorry, just simply slash, then you have to press shift plus star. Okay, then enter, then again shift star, I mean shift plus star, sorry, it will be single, shift plus star, then slash. Okay, you have to write in this bound. If you write in this bound, only then this will work, this will be shown here. Okay, okay, let's see how to do this. Let's go. Or I want to put my theme name. What if you want to add your theme name, simply what you have to write, just simply theme in first letter in capital letter, sorry, then theme, name. Okay, sorry, mistake. Theme name after colon, not I am telling this, not given any space. Okay, if you write this it will be wrong. Okay, what you should do, just after name, after finished name you have to put colon. Okay, then you can create space as your wish. Theme name, I am giving our new custom theme. Okay, okay, if you just write this and just copy, just then control S, then go to our, just refresh this page, you can see theme name previous was my theme, now the current theme name eh, has been changed, our new custom theme. Okay, it's really good, really good. If you enjoy, feel, if you enjoy, you can enjoy, it is very easily to learn this. Okay, simply what you should do, theme author, I mean who is the author of this theme. Okay, okay, I am writing a new name as, imagine this is Ben, theme author. Okay, then what you should write, theme URI, sorry, it will all be in capital letter. Theme URI, you can put any URL here, you can put your own website URL as your wish. Okay, I am putting www.wordpress.org, you can put, write anything here, then author URI. Okay, you can put your personal website here. I am putting the same name, www.wordpress.org, you can write anything, don't worry, as you wish you can write. Okay, then what you should do, just I am using now version, I am telling this again, after version you do not keep any space, after version you have to put, write just colon, then you can create space as your wish, but not space below version and colon. Okay, you can write anything 1.123 as your wish. Okay, let's save and go to our dashboard. Just let's refresh this, you can see version here. Okay, by this is not working, what's the problem, I don't know. By author, okay, theme author, then not author, only author maybe. Okay, just I'm cutting this theme. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, this is now working by Ben. Okay, this is version, is it working? Version, yes, this is working. Okay, let's see, you can then use your description as your wish. Simply what you can do, just description, then you can put something anything here. Okay, let's go to our dummy data. Next developer are using this dummy data because it is very easy to copy, it is not easy to write anything, it is very easy to copy from dummy data, lorem ipsum. Okay, and use this. Okay, here you can see dummy data Wikipedia. Okay, leave some. Okay, just enter this. Or leave some, maybe it is working. Okay, simply I am copying things from here. Okay, let's go, this not, this is our, okay. Let's put description here, okay. You can anything here extra, okay. Let's refresh, save and refresh this page, okay. Here you can see the description here, okay. It's really awesome, really awesome, okay. If you just put this in systematically, all will work, okay. Then I'm using tags, okay. Then you can put the same thing, you can uh, anything use what type of category this theme is, okay. This is about tags, okay. Okay, I'm putting comma on this, okay. Then refresh this, you can see tags here, all tags are shown here. I think all are really looking gorgeous, okay. I think all you are feeling enjoyable, very enjoy, you are feeling it is very enjoyable, okay. All are very easy to create or develop a WordPress theme from a HTML template. It is very easy. If you quite concerned on it, you can learn it very easily, okay. Let's go to another tutorial. I am closing this. Assalamu alaikum.